In today's video, I'll teach you how to update Just Eat app. So if you want to update the Just Eat application, for that what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Just Eat. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Just Eat food delivery and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, you'll be able to see the open option instead of update option. That means now your application has been updated and you'll be able to use the latest version of the app. After the application is updated, the bugs of the application will be fixed and you'll be able to access smoother performance and new features. So like this, you'll be able to update it. So that is how you update Just Eat app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.